people, this is Juanita living life unapologetically designed. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We're going to continue creating the tablescape items before we do the tablescape. Okay, so I'm going to make me some napkin rings. All right, I'm gonna make me some napkin rings, and this is the things that I have. What you're gonna need: scissors. This says Merry Christmas because the kitchen theme colors, I should say, is black, red, white. We have a touch of green, touch of gold. Yeah, and a little hint of neutral colors in there, okay? Because yeah. All right, so I went everywhere. The Dollar Tree, places where they have the napkin rings, and they do not have them. I guess they don't sell them in my local area. So I saw this and I'm like, I'm going to try it. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is an empty tissue roll, and I'm going to attempt to use it. So a lot of people I saw use their glue gun, but I'm gonna use my E6000 because hey, I have it right here. And I'm just gonna make me some nice nice rings. All right, so let me see how much I can get out of this. Like that. And I guess we'll just nip it right there. Okay, and let's go from there. Let's see, hold on y'all, maybe I just moved a little. Yeah, let's go from there and see what we get out of that. All right, let's go. Hold on y'all, I gotta use my other. Let me put this down. Hold on. Let me see if this got enough strength in this arm. If you don't know, I had shoulder surgery and I'm still healing. And okay. And I'm a still work in progress. I do not have enough strength in my arm, in my shoulder, I should say. So there's some things I can't do right now. All right, so all right. Okay. I might be able to get, maybe I can get 2 or 3. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to cut it at the end until I take this. Whew, this stuff is strong. Okay. All right. Put that there for a minute. And let's put you right there. And make sure you're even on the, make sure you're on the edge. I can always cut off the excess. I should have measured it, right? But I didn't, y'all. I didn't. All right, so, oh my gosh, this is easy as 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Wow. All right. All right, so let me cut this off. I like the little flower right there at the end. So, oh, Juanita. When you're so used to using something, you take advantage of it, or you don't realize what you have until you're not able to use it. And sometimes, all right. Listen, y'all didn't come here for a story like that. Y'all came for this DIY, right? Y'all saw the title. You're like, let's get into it. All right, so go ahead, close that up. So let me just put it here. Y'all came for the DIY, right? You know what? I understand why they would use glue. Not glue. I understand why they use I'm just trying to make sure we secure. Oh my gosh, this is so simple, so easy. Oh, I wish I should put something around it. Okay, so let me show you. I'm over here having all other types of ideas. This is it right here. Merry Christmas. This is a Christmas ring. Some people can put a little something on there. A little bow, but I'm gonna take this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take that off there. It might not it might not bother anybody else, but I see it and I don't like it, so I'm gonna take the little excess off there. Hold on. Okay, beautiful people, here we have it. I tried my hand at 3 different types of napkin rings. Once again, I just used a tissue roll, empty tissue roll, and I got this ribbon from gift. This is actually gift ribbon. This is from Walmart, and it's $2.98 because I was going with the theme of black, white, red, hint of gold, stuff like that. All right. So I used my E6000. Just put it around around the tissue roll. Okay, so what I did was, because I like this design, I don't know if you can see the little detailing in there. That's why I went with this. I just took this off a stem that I have already, and so I used that. And then with this, I just used one of my, took a DIY I'm getting ready to do. I just took that and wrapped that around there. And the juke, I think it's called juke cord. I just took it and put a little design on it. You can wrap it around there or whatever. Yes. Okay, beautiful people. Okay. So now that we have the napkin ring completed, I want to show you this. I'm only going to do a tablescape of 2. Let me move back. So yeah, I'm going to choose either 1 or 2. Or I really like this one, and I really like that the one with the pearl. But also I wanted to tie in what my table thing here. Yeah, we'll see. But I might use either these 2 because it's in theme. But we'll see. But I only need 2. But let me show you the napkins. Okay, I got these for $5. Can you see that? $5. And they're white. Look like little snowballs in there anyway. So I got these from Home Goods a while ago when it was on clearance, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna use 2 of these. It's just for my tablescape. Oh, sorry y'all. Just for my tablescape. Yeah, there we have it. Let me put them together now. Might be just a little too close. Sorry. beautiful. Oh, I'm loving it. All right. Let's continue with the table scape.